Ayo, boss, and welcome back. We hope everyone's having a great and spooky fall season. Today's chef's going to show us how to make a chili dog casserole. Let's get cooking. Start off with a nice sized glass casserole dish. Chef's going to just spray this with some non-stick cooking spray. Next up, he's going to get his hot dog buns, which he got a little extra larger ones, and he's going to cut them down the sides. And you can either do one of two things. You can push them down the tops, or you can remove them completely. Chef is probably going to go ahead and push these down just like so. If you want to remove them, you can. You want them to kind of look like a little boat to kind of hold everything. So in the end result, you're going to do that to all of them. So there's his 6 buns, because we know buns come in 6 and hot dogs come in 8, which totally makes sense. Next up, he's going to melt some butter, a little bit of garlic, and then just a little bit of parsley. Mix this all together thoroughly. And don't forget, all of our ingredients will be down below, and check out our blog for the full details. Chef's going to go ahead now and just coat these little boats lightly with this butter mixture here. He's going to have his oven set to 350 degrees, and he's just going to cook these just for about 5 minutes. After that, he's going to go ahead and place some sharp cheddar cheese right in the middle of each bun. The buns are now cooked a little bit, a little easier to work with. He's now going to go ahead and add some chili sauce. Just some chili that you could buy from the store, he said. Don't go making it, it'll take too long, he said. Let's not get crazy. Next up, you can add some peppers or onions or any other kind of vegetable or ingredient you like. Chef's going to go with some chopped onions because he likes those. And now Chef's going to use some Zweigel's hot dog, local here. They're really big, so he had to use a bigger bun. But they're also really great. And yes, that's not, your eyes don't deceive you. Those are white hot dogs that we have here. Check those out, white hots. Never seen a white hot dog? You have today. So place those right in there. You're going to add a little bit of chili right on top. Now he's going to place these in the oven, same thing, 350 degrees, for about 20 to 25 minutes. After around that 25-minute mark, he's going to throw some sharp cheddar cheese on top. This is just going to kind of coat the top a little bit, make that kind of casserole top that you all see. And then he's also going to put a little bit of some parsley on top of that as well for some garnish and some color. Back in the oven for another about 5 minutes. So he took these out, everything kind of melted in now, so what he's going to do now is just plate these right up, and you can enjoy them just like so. Here they are, he stacked them up. They came out really good, so kind of a fun fall treat, warm you up in this cold weather. We hope everyone enjoyed this, and we hope everyone is having a fun October, getting ready for Halloween. We can't wait for our next video. It's going to be our Halloween episode, so we're really excited. Thanks again, everyone. If you're new and you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button. And thanks again. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.